Welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who don't know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you guys stopped by today. I know my hair looks a little weird up here, but we're just gonna leave it. It has a mind of its own. It does its own thing, and sometimes I just have to grin and bear it. Well, today I just got something in the mail. Dun dun dun! What is this? It's my Medusa's makeup subscription box, and we're gonna see what I got. I haven't even looked at spoilers. This is actually June's box. Yeah. I get mine really late. So if you guys want to see me unbox this, let me know and I'll continue it. I just thought this would be fun because a lot of times I take what I get, some of what I get in here, and I put it in my giveaway pile. So we're gonna take a look. They wrap it all up cute. And the first thing I see in here is the happy birthday box. Cruelty-free vegan. Stay tuned. August, we turn 2. Don't miss our biggest box ever. Ooh, that's exciting. So they give a little card with the prices and everything, and I can go over all of that. But what we really want to see is what we've got. And sometimes there's 4 to 6 items in each box. Sometimes there's more. Sometimes there's only 4. It just really depends on the month. But the value of this box is $38. The first thing I see in here is their Totally Baked eyeshadow. And this is in Radical. Let's take a look at this. Ooh, I can already tell you. Oh, it's a very, very pretty purple. Yep, that's exciting. I like how they package all of these. I actually really like their Totally Baked eyeshadows. So I'm going to keep that one. Oh my goodness. It closed on me again. The next thing I see in here is their Stick It. This is an eye primer. I'm actually going to put this in the box. I have 3 of these now, and I don't need another one. Let you guys try and win that. Ooh, this is pretty. It's glitter. Then we have the Heavy Metal Glitter. You guys see that? Oh, I'm going to play with that at some point. Danielle needs more glitter in her life. And then we have this lipstick in Rio. Look at their packaging. Isn't that totally adorable? Totally adorable. I just wish it transferred onto this packaging. My fear is, because I live in Arizona, we'll see. Ooh, you guys, it's orange. I'm keeping it. You guys know I love orange. So I'm going to swatch this. Had to do it very carefully. Look at that. It's so pretty. Oh yeah, it's melty. It's melty. Melted. So I'm going to put this in the giveaway for you guys. I actually like this, so it is a good deal. I will go through now and tell you what the prices are. So the Totally Baked eyeshadow is normally $9. The Stick It primer is $9. The lipstick in Rio is $12. And the Heavy Metal Glitter is $8. So altogether, it's a $38 value. I pay $15.95 for this subscription box. I think it's worth it. It's a lot of fun for me. I like getting indie brand makeup. I know not everyone is into it, but I am, and I really do enjoy Medusa's makeup. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more awesome unboxing videos. And if you subscribe, you're putting me closer to my 800 subscriber goal when I will finally reveal all of the items in the giveaway. Well, thank you again, and bye!